Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel where we're learning to live our lives exquisitely, one budget, one paycheck, one plan at a time. Whew. So, let's get started on our meal plan because I have not meal planned at all this month. I have been just winging it and my budget reflects that. So no more winging it. We're going to get it together. With the theme. We use the same book in our catch-all, and lately when I do meal plan, I have been finding that I like when it complements the catch-all. So of course, as always, I did do a bit of pre-planning. So we're still gonna keep up with the cityscape theme, but first I wanna do some whiting out. So we're gonna white out this focus, to buy, errands, important, and all of these little dots and such. Well, these dots can stay, but these got to go. White out the focus. So of course we're gonna start on this page, which is our dashboard side of things. And I pulled some washi, and I kind of wanted to use it behind all of these, but then I thought, that may be doing about 10 too much, but I am going to go ahead and use it down here. Or, let's see what this book has to offer as far as using something. I know we have the hearts. Do we have enough little hearts though? Yeah, so we'll use the washi, and then I'll just use the hearts to be our checklist. So, this is a strip I had already pulled. Child. Me, these nails, and this paper, it's just not it. Okay. That was crooked. And where's my ruler? I just had it a little bit. Oh, there it goes. I'm like, I just had it a little bit ago. And I'm using my ruler because it has a metal edge, and it rips so easily, just like that. Okay. I am gonna have to white out this one. That was easy. So, got our washi down just to put a little sunshine on the paper. And then I'm going to take these colorful boxes that came out of the Happy Illustrations book. And I'm gonna put them on here. I don't think I'm gonna do them all the same. And I'm gonna this one more towards this way. Put a little bit more towards this way. Well, that's cute. Okay, so we got that. Let's grab all our hearts off and put our hearts down for our little checklist points. Because otherwise, I don't know how I would really use these hearts. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. With stuff that I don't really know how I plan on using them, this is what usually ends up happening. I put them in a book and try to find a use. So I really don't need every single one of these lines. I'm just moving this yellow down because I didn't want it way up there next to all that yellow washi. And I already used that blue, so. I'm literally just randomly putting these down on the page. There's no rhyme or reason. I'm just trying to get them on there. That orange is almost too close. Put down there. I think it's just because that's a lot of, it's a lot of yellow. It's a lot more color than I'm used to seeing up there. That's for sure. We got this one. We got this green. We got a purple we can use. And I don't have a lot of groceries to get this week. Like I said, we went to Costco a couple weeks ago, so I have hella chicken in the freezer. Which is why... Oh, this brew is... Brew? Really? This blue, it's like a blue-green. It's not the same. It's more green than that one. So, we'll put that one down. That should be enough for over there because I don't really have a lot to do. So let's pick up this green. Let's pick up the pink. And... Okay, yeah, these gotta get wiped out. I was gonna leave these, I wasn't gonna put the hearts on these at first. But... Gots to go. And I only end up ever doing like... I did like every other one on this page. Because it always changes up what I use that for. Oh, do I want to use the blue? I think I do. Okay. Yeah. That's cute. That's cute. Okay. And usually I put a quote down here, but this time I didn't. Shocking, I know. Okay. Why am I looking through here? I don't need nothing up out of here. Oh, yes I do. Now I know why. Okay. So down here at the bottom, first thing I want to do is I want to put my sunshine up. Put a little sunshine on your face. Oh, yeah, y'all gotta go. Wipe out this line and these zigzag things. I want to put my sun down a little bit higher. There we go. And then I took... Oh, I was off camera. I was out of frame again. Sorry, guys. I'm struggling. So I put down my cityscape, my sun, and my rainbow. I kind of want to look for a quote to go right here, but I don't really know. I don't know. Might just leave it because I got a quote on the other side. So I may just leave this here. Let's get started on this page. We'll leave this alone for now. We can always come back to it. So we have our dinner plans up there. I think I'm pretty much going to leave that alone. But what I do want to start doing is I'm going to take these focus boxes, and every sticker I have pulled is from the Happy Illustrations book. So I'm going to Put this box here, and I'm just lining it up with the second to the last line. Here. And then, okay. That's cute. And I'm just putting here we go, this darn whiteout, y'all. Recommendations on whiteout, please. Before I go to jail for shooting somebody over some whiteout. Because this is redonkulous at this point. So, we went ahead and, oh. I need just a little bit more whiteout. There we go. And then I took this Enjoy Lyfe, which I thought was just something that I need to remember right now, especially because I am, you know, focused. Oh, crap. Put that too high. You know, since I am focusing on, you know, getting my debt and finances together, and I'll be working a lot since I am doing DoorDash and getting ready to start Instacart and just trying to, you know, do as much side hustling as I can to get some other income coming in. I just want to remember that I need to take breaks and enjoy life in the process. And so I pulled another rainbow. And this one says Shine Bright. So I'm just going to pop this one here, tilt it a little bit. I think you need a friend. You look lonely. I am so lonely. Yeah, you're looking a little lonely. Let's give you a little friend. We'll put it up there like that. Yay, that's cute. I like that. Do I want to put the yellow washi on this page? I think that would be doing a tinge too much. Like, because even if I put it across the top of there, that's a lot of yellow. And we have our spots of yellow. No, we don't need no yellow. We don't need no yellow. We don't need no yellow. I think that's it, you guys. I think we have our plans. Do we need more? Do we need to pull the hearts and put some hearts over here? No, I think that would be too much. Team to merch, child. Team to merch. So here is my, okay, let's, oh, duh. Let's just zoom out a little bit so they can see. Goofy. So here is my meal plan for the week of Monday the 18th to the 24th. And I will see you guys in the next video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
I hear the